Alright guys, got another short little video for you here. My friend, local firewood guy was cleaning out his storage container and wanted to get rid of some saws, so gave me an early Black Friday deal. So looks like we got 3 still 440s. They're 90% there, missing the coil on the one, and the carb and air filter stuff and the starter, but looks like the bones are good, the cylinders and everything else. So tear into those. Then over here we got 2 461s, and these both run pretty good. So I just dumped out the old gas, threw some fresh gas in there, and I'm surprised they both, well, the first one, that one started right up. This one, the fuel line was just disconnected, so I'm gonna give them a good go over, but I just wanted to get just a rough idea how these things were running. And same with that guy back there, threw some gas in it and started right up. So, and this guy, that's probably going to be just a parts donor or something. And then we got this Farmer Tech 660. So we'll see, what's wrong with that. It's got great compression, so